Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to check the battery level and adjust power settings on MOVA V50 Ultra. As you can see in the app at the top, the battery percentage is shown and also the current status, which in my case is currently charging. When I click on three dots in the top right corner, I can adjust something in the more functions option, which lets me find the resume cleaning mode, which means that if the robot discharges during the cleaning, it goes back to the station no matter whether this mode is on or off. But when the mode is on, it will charge to 100% and then resume cleaning. And when it's disabled, you will need to resume it manually. Then in the main page of the settings, you can go to battery and find two different settings. There's off-peak charging, which you can enable in order to charge during off-peak hours if your energy bills are in that way that it charges you a different rate for the peak hours and off-peak hours. You can enable it so the robot will charge to a minimum required level while working and complete the remaining charge during off-peak hours. And as you can see, you can set the starting and ending time of the off-peak time when it can charge to 100%. Now then, there's also charging limit, which you can set. I don't know if I would recommend it myself. I would recommend it only for for areas when the robot never discharges fully during a task, you know? If your if your total area is not too large and the robot, let's say, discharges only to to 40%, then you may want to enable the charging limit to 90 or 80%, so the robot only charges to that, which can extend its battery life, like the longevity of the battery. But I don't really think it's that useful, especially if your robot needs to go back because of this mode. If it needs to recharge because of this mode, it doesn't make any sense at all. So unless you really want it, I'd keep it at 100. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.